Thanks again for checking in as we take a look at that extreme weather outlook. And we're still tracking Chris in the Atlantic Basin. Chris, of course, a hurricane, and looking at that to quickly move off to the northeast away from the eastern seaboard. But the southwest still dealing with that monsoon moisture, and that severe threat continues in the Midwest. But here is the view of Chris as of early Wednesday. A hurricane, a very well-defined eye, but picking up speed now that there is a cold front sweeping off the eastern seaboard here. So that is helping to kind of quicken its pace. By the end of the week and upcoming weekend, it'll be sitting in the north central Atlantic. And how about this? Remnant moisture from Chris could be impacting Europe as we slide into the end of the weekend there. And then just south of Chris, we have the remnants of Beryl, now impacting parts of the Bahamas, and still has moderate chance of tropical formation over the next 5 days. Well, we've had some rain in the southwest. Phoenix, Arizona has been dealing with some dust storms thanks to some of those monsoon thunderstorms. And yesterday we did pick up another 9/100ths of an inch of rain in Phoenix, almost 2/10ths of an inch in Tucson. Nice to see the moisture as we are well below where we should be for the entire year. Several inches below average, but the thunderstorm activity will continue, and there will be pockets of heavy rain over that next few day time period here. But again, as I mentioned, many of us in the southwest dealing with deficits, especially into California, where Redding in Northern California is almost 7 inches below average. All the reds indicating some extreme and exceptional drought conditions. We do have heat advisories in the central U.S. Minneapolis will feel more like the mid-90s this afternoon. 96, 102 in Sioux Falls, 102 in Kansas City. Pretty hot in the southern U.S. as well, with more triple-digit heat indices, and also for the southeast. So it is summer, and typically one of our hottest times of the entire year, mid-July, 92 degrees in Minneapolis this afternoon. But on the outer periphery of that, we have those thunderstorms. Could see some locally heavy rain in the upper Midwest over the next couple of days. Today we're under a slight risk of severe weather, large hail damaging winds, and isolated tornadoes possible late today.